Myself S.K. Senapati, working as Regional Manager Sales and Service in company Scientific Research Instruments, Srico. This is a 10 years old company and a fast growing company. We are supplying mainly the laboratory instruments to pharma companies and chemical industries and government research institutes. So mainly for R&D research purpose. So for this is one company from Jolabo, Germany. They are pioneer and giving premium products on temperature control systems, covering a wide range from -90 and -95 degrees centigrades up to 350 and 400 degrees centigrades. Even with a single oil, these temperature control systems can cover from -90 degrees centigrade to +200 degrees centigrades. And along with that, we are supplying these complete reactor setups. This reactor setup is manufactured by our own selves. Only this reaction vessel, triple walled reaction vessels, we are taking from KGW, Germany. That is another manufacturer from Germany who are giving the DUR vessels, liquid nitrogen container, as well as these glass reactor setups. And all other things, this is the PTFE coated, Teflon coated stand, and we are manufacturing here in Bangalore. And this motor, the steering motor is from CAT, Germany. And this stirrer guides and the stirrer elements are from KOI, UK. This is Teflon coated. This is another premium product from Edmund Müller, that is also from Germany. They are master in different type of sakers, reciprocal sakers as well as orbital sakers. In fact, in one machine also we can have two motions. We can change over from reciprocal or 2 and 4 to orbitals. And starting from the lab scale up to the bigger size, up to 200-liter drum also we can say. This is another European company, Knoll. They are giving hot air ovens, muffle furnace, tube furnace, all these things like this. And there are two types of openings. We can open to the top, as well as we have the side doors. Temperature range we can cover up to 1650 degree or 1700 degrees centigrade. So starting from small size, we can have bigger size models with different type of programmer with PC interface facility. This is incubator sakers from the company Vegans. They are giving different type of sakers. Again, We can change the motion from reciprocal to orbital with incubation temperature range with cooling facility from plus 5 degree to 60 degree centigrade. Without also incubation, they have wide range of products starting from magnetic stirrers up to the CO2 incubator, oven, everything. Of course, we are displaying here one incubator shaker with refrigerated incubator shaker. This is again another product from Julabo, Germany. This is secking water bath. If you go to any pharma company's quality control department or R&D department, secking water bath, you will find definitely this secking water bath. And we have two different models, SW22, 23, based on the temperature stability range. We have two different models. In fact, in SW23, we have a inbuilt pump for circulation of the liquid, which is a little bit unique in its nature. And this is our new Pura series water baths. And we have different size starting from small 2 liter up to 30 liters. In fact, there is no heater or sensor inside. Everything is hidden. That means the customer can use the cool space available inside the tank. And for the small type elementary flasks or so, we can even fill up to 1 liter or 1.5 liter liquid water and start using this machine. Yes, these are also some more common laboratory products from the principal vegans. This is overhead stirrers. We have different range starting from analog side to the high power models, which can have a high torque, high viscosity. It can handle up to 550 Newton centimeter. We have different options of Teflon coated stirring rod, propeller type or anchor type. And these are all hot plate with magnetic stirrers. In few models, we have the ceramic top, completely glass ceramic, as well as we have option of ceramic coating, and temperature range we have up to 550 degrees centigrades. With this external sensor, PT100 sensor, we can control the temperature of the product or the sample precisely. This is another world-class premium products from Micra, Germany. They are manufacturing this high-speed homogenizer or dispersing machines, and with different tools, we can cover the range from 0.1 ml up to 100 liter in the lab scale. As well as we have inline homogenizer also. This is the same machine we can convert with DFK flow-through systems for inline homogenization. And they are also giving plant scale application for manufacturing, but on case-to-case basis, on application basis. This is again another good magnetic stirrers from 2Mag, Germany. And the beauty of this machine is we can have the controller separately. That means the drive unit separate and the controller separate. And we can immerse this drive unit inside a water bath. That means the drive unit is waterproof, submersible type, and we can handle volume up to 1000 liter starting from 100 ml onwards. And we have multi-points like this, 15 points, even 60 points, 90 points like this. And this company is also giving dry bath stirrer. That means hot plate with magnetic stirrer, multi-points with separate controller. Julabo is well known for its refrigerated and heating circulators worldwide. And for last 50 years, they are manufacturing this. This is their new models coming into the market. This is Scorpio, Danio, and Magio with very high pumping speed, flow rate control. That means motor speed we can control. And with this model, we can cover the range from -50 to plus 200 degrees centigrade. With a single oil also, we can cover from -40 plus to 180 degrees centigrade. Really very user-friendly models with external temperature control and facility, PC interface facility with RS-232, USB and all interface facilities. Yeah, Bronson is another brand name in ultrasonic bath manufacturing company. This is from USA. They are giving lab scale ultrasonic bath starting from 2 liters up to 20 liters. As well as they have digital model, analog model with all regulation control. Now we have inbuilt cooling coil that we are manufacturing here and connecting this to a chiller like from Julabo, so that we can even control or absorb the heat energy produced during the ultrasonic process and even maintain the temperature even up to 10 degrees centigrade. This company is also manufacturing probe sonicators. That is not in the display here, but we can have the processor starting from very 0.1 micron, ml level up to 1 liter capacity, changing the different types of probe forms. This is the smallest compact refrigerated and heating circulator model from Julabo, CD200F, completely noiseless, you can say, with a small bath opening with a lot of space inside to use, and there is no internal evaporator coil coming to the user space. And from this model we can cover from range -20 to plus 200 degrees centigrades. Yeah, and it is useful in almost all chemical and pharmaceutical R&D application as accessories to polarimeter, refractometer, rotary operator and many other applications. These are oil-free diaphragm pumps from vacuum brand Germany. Really is a world-class product with zero maintenance. There is no oil inside and all internal parts are coated with PTFE. These diaphragm pumps can give vacuum up to 0.6 millibar with vacuum controller. And here with the pump we are providing one catch pot in the suction side, so that if any powder material or any liquid is coming, it can be trapped inside before entering into the pump. At the exhaust side we have this condenser and a catch pot, so that if any vapor is passing to the pump to the atmosphere, we have one more chance to get it condensed and collect it. So we can save the chemicals exposure to the lab conditions. And we have different models starting from small pumps which can give 70 millibar or 100 millibar for filtration application, and these models can be used for small distillation application, a rotary operator. We have bigger size, and this company is also giving high vacuum pump, oil-free vacuum pump based on scroll type, that is Vacuum Pure 10C, which can give vacuum up to 10 to the -2 level with a very high pumping speed of 9 meter cube per hour. This is again one hot plate with magnet stirrer from Daehan Scientific, South Korea. The top plate is glass ceramic and it can go up to 550 degrees centigrade. With a single jog shuttle control, we can control RPM, temperature and time. And we have the external PT100 sensor to control the sample temperature precisely. And this is another vacuum ovens from same company, Daehan Scientific. We have three different size: 20 liter, 30 liter and 70 liter. Along with this, we can give a oil-free vacuum pumps from Vacuum brand Germany, what I have shown to you. This is a powerful magnet stirrer again from 2Mac Germany, which can handle up to 250 liters of water viscosity. As well, we have still bigger models which can handle up to 1000 liter, and in that model also we can have the controller separate, trolley mounted, so that the magnetic drive system will be in a trolley where you can load the vessels and the controller will be separate. So with the increase in the viscosity, of course the liquid volume handling capacity will come down, but in terms of water viscosity we have the capacity to handle up to 1000 liter. This is a vacuum controller from again Vacuum brand Germany. It can work independently with any vacuum pumps, diaphragm pumps or oil pumps. For oil pumps, we have a fine vacuum package system which can give control up to vacuum up to 10 to the minus 3 level. And this is a small vacuum pump, again oil-free diaphragm vacuum pump from Vacuum brand Germany with a vacuum inbuilt vacuum controller. This vacuum controller works on VFD principle. That means once the vacuum is achieved, automatically pumping speed will come down to maintain the motor speed matching to the leak rate in the system. This is Rotary vacuum evaporator model Strike 385, newly introduced by our principal vegans. So here we can change this flux up to evaporating flux up to 2 liter capacity, and it has inbuilt vacuum controller. We can have different options of glasswares like vertical condenser, slanting condenser, as well as draft type condenser with vapor temperature measuring facility. And we can adjust the head of this immersion head adjustment up to 15 degree with we can increase or decrease the height automatically like this. Yeah. And this bath is movable. We can slide this bath. This can be detached. And for higher scale, we have, for example, if somebody wants 5 liter rotavac, we have option from Daehan Scientific, as well as we can give bigger size rotavacs up to 100 liter capacity from our other principal, Steroglass, Italy. And this is again the Julabo chiller that is meant for this rotavac application to cool down this condenser. This temperature range is from minus 20 up to 40 degrees centigrades. We have still smaller size chillers, F250 model, which can cater up to minus 10 degrees centigrades. And this Julabo is manufacturing not only the small chillers, we have chillers even up to 20 kilowatt cooling power, which we are providing for the production in the vaccine production also. Gyrogen is from South Korea. We have recently added to this product to our product portfolio. They are giving high-speed centrifuge, refrigerated centrifuge, micro centrifuge, tabletop as well as floor type, RPM up to 25,000, and they are also giving the lyophilizer or freeze dryer temperature range. We have three different types: minus 55, minus 80, as well as minus 110 degree centigrade. This is also vacuum concentrator they are giving with oil-free vacuum pumps. This is our high pressure reactor setup, SSPF reactor setup. We have from Wiggins as well as from Varga. For small lab scale, we have PTFE liner as well inside the vessel, as well as the lining in the lid, inner part of the lid, so that all chemical parts coming in contact of chemicals are chemical resistant in nature. And that is lab scale. We have up to 4 liter, starting from 100 ml or 25 ml onwards. And also we have high pressure reactor, SS reactor, up to 100 liter capacity with the pressure range up to 25 watt. Thank you very much for going through our profile, and for any requirement, for any inquiries or for any kind of service support, you can contact us for lab instruments or process instruments for the kilo labs or pilot plant. We can support you. We have the head office at Bangalore, and we have branch office at New Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bhubaneswar, Baroda, and residential engineers in main cities, so that we can cater the requirement of the customers throughout India. And you can see in this is our promo booklet where we are showing all our products. These are focus products. We are keeping maximum products in our stock to supply immediately in INR with a very short delivery time. We are maintaining the spare parts also in different locations in India to provide good service support from service support. And in the back side of our product profile, you can find the locations where we have the branch office, where we have the people to provide prompt service support with phone number and other things. Thank you very much for watching this.